Are you ready? Because we're about to go from this to this. Hey everyone, it's Dream from Where the Yolk's Grown. As you can see, we are inside of the house and I am so excited to finally bring you this tablescape. This is the first Halloween decorate with me, but I've done it a lot different than I've done the other videos because I just felt they took too long. So in this video, you're going to see me set the table quickly. Then we'll go over what is on the table and we'll discuss how you can recreate these things for yourself and how to do it on a budget, as well as at the very end of the video, if you stay tuned, you'll be able to see it all lit up in the dark. If you all are new here, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button if you like what you see, because it helps our channel to grow. If you are returning, I am so glad to see you again. So let's get to this video. Salute, y'all. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start right here at the end of the table. Of course, you all know what this is. This is a white pumpkin. These plates I got at Marshall's, I believe. I think the prices are still on. Yep, they were $4.99 each, and that was this year that I got them. These black doilies I've had for a while, and then, well, they just made a mess, didn't they? And then these you can still get at Hobby Lobby right now, but I would suggest waiting just a little while because these will go on sale. I think regularly they're either $3.99 or $4.99, but if you watch for the sales, I got these for $1.99 each. You're welcome, Joey. You're welcome, baby. That's my little one in the background. Okay, so let me show you these. Now, these, I have a set of 6 of these. I got these at a thrift store. It's got to be 10 plus years ago. I've had them that long. They are absolutely beautiful. I couldn't tell you what brand they are, where they come from, or anything like that, but they are stunning, and I use them. This is the first time I've used them on my Halloween. On my tablescape for Halloween. I typically use these in winter or spring. These are new this year. I got a set of 6 of them. I'll show you that detail. These are all from a thrift store. This is ways that you can save money. I believe they were $2 each. I got that at a local thrift store. Okay, so what started this design this year were these lanterns. Now these are a sea lantern or something you'd find back in the early 1800s that they would be carrying around near lighthouses, you know, checking everything. And so the design started here when I found these two at a 50% sale at Hobby Lobby. I fell in love with these lanterns. I bought 2 of them and I knew they were going on this tablescape, and that's how this tablescape kind of got started. So I want to show you all these candles up close. On one side, as you can see, they look like x-rays. So on one side is the bat flying away. On the opposite side is the black bat hanging upside down. I got these at Ross this year. And I bought them because of how they looked, and I knew they would go with this dark Acadia and my apothecary theme. But let me show you what they do when you light them. So we're gonna light it. Where is the wick? There it is. Look down at the bottom. They change colors. I had no idea that they did this, but it was a neat little find. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to this part. I can link these little candles right here. I got those on Amazon. So let me show you this little dish right here. It goes all the way down. This is something that I made. Small ones like this typically run you anywhere from $10 to $15. The entire thing cost me $2.50. I'm sorry, not $2.50. It cost $3.75 because I had to buy this, the bottom tray, and the candlestick, and those are all $1.25 at Dollar Tree. This little handle that I have, I'm gonna lift it up so you can see it. Comes up. This little handle that I have right here, I already had those. Okay, let's talk about the glass candlesticks in the back. I made all of those. And these are from Dollar Tree. I stacked, I think there's 1, 2, 3. There are 5 total on the tall ones, and then we have the short one here, and there are 3 on those. So I had seen these glass, I was gonna paint these black. And then I decided not to because I really wanted to keep them clear so I can use them for other things or other displays. And so what do we got? We got 5 times $1.25. Well, that one's under $10. I'm not going to do the math right now. And then these were $3.75. These candlesticks right here came from this year's Dollar Tree spot. And then if you look, there is driftwood going through the table right there. These are actual succulents. And then this one right here is a fake green one that I got at Dollar Tree that I spray painted black. Now these plates are different than the ones that you just seen. All of these came from Home Goods last year, and the top ones, I believe, let me see if I left the price on them. No. The top ones are, you can see they're little apothecary, cute little apothecary plates. But I want to say they were $3.99, maybe even $2.99 a plate. And then these are Jack plates, and I bought it because I liked the gold trim and I liked this design around the outside because Jack disappears. You can see how it goes together. But that was a pack of 4. I want to say $12.99. Wasn't that much. Okay, so now you can see these are the lab bottles. I have had those for years. I got those from Michael's years ago. I'm not sure if they even carry them anymore. So the hands, oh, I lost one. The hands that you see right here, both of those came from Walmart last year. They had them again this year, and I want to say they're $2.99 each. A diver's mask. So this follows into my love of steampunk, and that's another part of this tablescape. I absolutely love steampunk. I particularly am fond of underwater themes when it comes to that. This is just a cake tray that I've had for years, that I just put that on top. This globe that you see on top actually goes on top of an what are they called? World globes. They spin around. That goes on top of that. I just borrowed that from that. And of course, all of this moss that you see all came from Dollar Tree in the bags that you can buy. We're going to move on down. There's another one that has a black onyx crystal ball in it, and that's something that I already had. This particular little guy right here actually came from Dollar Tree. I got this, I'm gonna pull it out, a year ago, but I don't know if you can see the eyeball in there. It's something that I printed out with vellum. I think it's vellum or vanillum. I can't remember the name of it right now, but it's a sheet of paper that you can get from Amazon, and I'll try and link that down in the description. This is part of one of my thrift store finds. I had some flowers, some dead flowers in there, and the cat started eating the flowers off the top, so I took those out, but I will put some more dead flowers in there. Lantern. And we're going to talk about the bottom tablescape here in just a minute and what they are. So these are the books. Another one of the displays that I made, and another one of the candles. Now this is a piece of driftwood. All of the driftwood that you see on the table came from East Beach in Galveston, and it's closer. If you want to find really good driftwood out there, you need to go to East Beach and walk closer in towards the bird sanctuary. That's where you're going to find all of this. Another succulent. Now that one was actually already black when I bought it. Skeleton head. And then I forgot to show you this little skeleton raven that comes from Dollar Tree. Another little skeleton in a jar. Hopefully the camera will focus. There we go. That I made. Okay, so let's talk. Y'all know what this is. This is the netting that you can get at Dollar Tree. They sell them every year. It's easy to get. This right here is cheesecloth. Now, of course, this cheesecloth came white, and then I also bought, I can link this. This is a table runner, a lace table runner that I bought off of Amazon, and I'll link that down in the description. Both of these were bright white, and let me show you how I stain them. Thanks for hanging out with me in this video, and don't forget, if you're new here, please give us a like and a thumbs up, and if you would be so gracious to subscribe, it'll help our channel to grow. If you are returning, I'm so glad you all came back to see this video. We have probably one, maybe two more Halloween videos before we move into the holiday season, plus many more garden videos coming up since winter is right around the corner for us. Till I see you in the next video, you all take care of yourself. You keep your heads up, and no matter how you do it, you keep growing. Bye-bye, y'all.